Okay, low cap DeFi token for the long term. Low cap DeFi token for the long term. Well, I would say subscribe to Token Metrics. We have that. But jokes aside, low cap DeFi. I mean, the good DeFi projects we like. I mean, because we've covered this before. We've covered this a lot. So, coming here to Token Metrics, I would just come here. All right. So as this loads, DeFi. So I would say low cap. Let's say we want to market cap less than, I mean, to me, let's say 50 mil. And we sort by, okay, yeah, not sure why this shows curve. So this shows curve token has a market cap of 26 million. That's not correct, actually. Now, I think CoinMarketCap's data is incorrect because they have a very low circulating supply. So I would ignore this. Well, I mean, DeFi, not really seeing anything DeFi here at this valuation. All right, so looking just purely at technology. But if we go to grade, yeah, even grade, I mean, low cap DeFi, I mean, honestly, anything DeFi that's good has kind of already pumped. All right, maybe let's switch to 100 million market cap. Okay, once again, all these aren't really DeFi. Okay, we have BZX, right? That's DeFi. That's what comes to mind. Yeah, BZX technology-wise. If we go purely grade-wise, yeah, all these are not really DeFi projects, right? So, yeah, I mean, all the good DeFi projects have kind of already pumped. Now, DeFi projects I like, right? I like Nexus Mutual. We're still doing a code review on it. We've done a fundamental review, and it was all right. Now we're doing a code review on that, so stay tuned on that. UMA. Definitely worth keeping an eye on. That's DeFi. Coming here, right? So this is DeFi Pulse. Looking at, I mean, yeah, all the good ones have kind of been pumped already. Balancer is legit. I mean, our developers really likes the technology on it. Synthetics has pumped, Wi-Fi I has pumped, Compound pumped, Aave Maker, all those aren't really, yeah, Nexus Mutual, worth keeping an eye on. Banco we like, but that's not low cap. Yeah, I mean, honestly, that's kind of it. Open, we've been looking into, right? Because we're trying to see how we could possibly add options as a way to hedge the indices. So stay tuned on that. That's still far out, but it's something we are researching, right? BZX I mentioned. Yeah, I mean, those are the ones that really kind of come to mind. I mean, honestly, anything else that is DeFi with a very low cap is probably a pump and dump, honestly, right? And we're not really trying to cover pump and dumps, right? Because, I mean, we've been in 2017, 2018, and when you get trapped in a pump and dump, I mean, that's not cool. Okay, so stay safe out there, right? Don't get involved in pump and dumps. The general rule is if you want to invest into a cryptocurrency, you want to make sure the daily trading volume is greater than 10% of the market cap. What does that mean, right? So if something has a market cap of 100 million, you want ideally the daily trading volume to be 10 million or higher, right? That means it's liquid, right? That means when you go to sell, it's good, right? That means you won't get trapped, right? You won't get caught with your pants down, right? Especially if you have large amounts of capital. Even if you have small amounts of capital, just take that general rule, right? We call this liquidity ratio, right? You want 10% of the daily, 10% of the market cap to be traded daily, right? Now, on occasion, right, sometimes you have projects where more than 100% of the total market cap gets traded daily. What does that mean? Right? For example, if a project has a market cap of 100 million, but it gets traded $150 million worth of market cap, that means there's either lots of wash trading or the people holding that token are traders. People who day trade, who traded more than, because on average, that means the average holder is trading it 1.5 times a day. Right? Meaning that most people are trading it back and forth. Most people are not even holding it for one day. Meaning the speculators, traders, possible pump and dump, right? People who are in it for the short term, and the rug will get pulled on you if you aren't looking. Okay, so you want to be careful about that, right? So I would say that's definitely something worth looking into if you're going to be dabbling in low cap coins, right? Because I mean, low cap is where most people get wrecked, right? Yes, there are lots of returns, but I mean, sometimes nice and steady, right? Just look at Chainlink. Chainlink, nice and steady, 100x, right? So you definitely want to be careful. But tell me what you think down in the comments below.